Google Nano Banana is going too crazy. You can create a professional mockup in just seconds. Today, we are going to create these mockups. So first of all, open Gemini and select Nano Banana model to create images. Then click on plus icon and add image. Enter prompt. Create a mockup from label. And run. Create mockup in just seconds, and mockup is highly detailed. Now we're going to create something interesting. Enter prompt. Make the guy drinking from the can. It's amazing. Look very realistic. Let's try something more. Enter prompt, take guy to the beach bar. Looks so natural and cool. Let's try some more. Take this guy in party. Wow, Nano Banana is insane. It looks exactly what I want. You must try Nano Banana. I hope you like this video. Share your thoughts and comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe this video. Thanks for watching.